Okay, work continues on this John Deere JX75. So far, we put a new drive cable on and a new speed selector cable because those were broke. Check out my other videos for those. But one last thing we need to do is replace these wheels. So I got this set of 4 off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. So let's get to it. Okay, first thing is take these center caps off. Let's get a flat blade screwdriver in there and pry it off. All right, 13 millimeter. All right, then you got 2 big washers and the small one. The small one goes against the bearing. And we'll reuse this drive gear. I think you can turn these around and get some even wear out of them. So it looks like that's 10 millimeter. We'll take this gear off. Yeah, see how there's more, looks like 2/3 of it's kind of worn and this side's not touched at all. So we can just flip this around. And these screws they're kind of like self-tapping. So just get them started straight. Okay, so there's a bearing on this inside, and here's the bolt. You can see a little bit of wear on this outer part, and it looks like that's kind of like a bushing. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit of grease on here. I don't really know if you need to do this or not, but it can't hurt. Okay, so that's what it takes for the rear. Just repeat for the other side, and now we'll do a front. Okay, so now for the front, looks like there's only 1 small washer. So this is pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's pretty easy to do. Didn't really cost too much, and these things are absolutely shot. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.